Hello my friend, welcome to the Light Code channel and welcome in a new episode. In this episode we talk about routing controllers. Routing controllers allows you to create the controller class with methods used to handle the request. Let me show you the structure of this controller here, this controller of routing controller. You can see this URL, this controller, and this indicate the method. Now we will understand the route controller through an example. Step 1, first we need to create controller by this command. Open the VS Code command, VS Code editor, and here we need to create a new controller. We open the new command line. Open command line, please. Yes, open it. PHP RT then make for us colon controller, and we name it post controller. Make controller, hit enter. Yes, created for us a new controller. It will be here app. I tell you app and HTTP and controllers, and this our new controller, post controller. We need to set some data. We need to add a new method. For example, public function, call it index, and parentheses and calibrators, public. We set here some information. For example, return for us welcome my friend. Welcome my friend, and semicolon. After that, we need to go back to the web route file and create a new route, which by it can access this data in this controller. Go to the web route. Here we need to set the comment. This is routing route. Excuse me, what happened? Route controller. After that, we create a route, colon, for example, get, and then URL. We need URL. For example, name it post /post. After that, comma. And then call it. We need to call the controller here. We will say use HTTP yes, app, for example, app /HTTP and controllers. Here we can see this. We select this, and semicolon. We need to add this post controller here, Control C, in our controller, Control V, colon, class. After that, we need to show the our method. For that, we need call it index. After that, we add semicolon here. Work is completed. Now we go to the browser, and here I'm localhost. Yes, help us, and hit enter. It will call official page, Laravel official page. Yes, please upload this page for us. It enter my internet very slowly and take many time. Please, I beg you. Yes. After that, we need to access the information that we added in the index method into controller here. You can see here we need to, in the post controller, you need to access this welcome if it correct, my friend. Now we need to show this sentence, this phrase in the browser. So we check if the exam create for us a local server, and we before uploaded our project on it. Now we go to the browser, come back to the browser, and here we add this post, hit enter. Yes, this show we access the data into the controller by this route. I think this enough for this episode. In this episode, we learn how we can create a controller by this command, controller PHP artisan make controller. This command will create for us a new controller. After that, we set a new function called it index, and into this function we write this information in this phrase. After that, we go to the web PHP file, and we write this I tell you, this route URL is post, and this controller we call it here by using HTTP, and then we indicate to the method by this index, and in the browser we write post and we access the data. I think this enough for this episode. If this episode useful to you, so please support us by like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.